What's good, everybody? Welcome back. If you guys enjoy these straight to the point videos, just hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. So this vehicle is a 2015 Jeep Cherokee, and we're gonna be changing the wheel hub. And you do need it is pretty much a pressed-in wheel hub, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do it without a press. And it's pretty simple as long as you have your tools, and you should be, pretty good. If not, then too bad for you. First thing you need is a fan. Sorry about the background noise. As you can see, we got the fan. Too damn hot out here. If you got these tools, that's even better, because you are gonna be loosening the CV axle nut. And if you don't got one of these, I recommend to remove the CV axle nut, and that's gonna be 32 millimeter. And I'm gonna show you real quick what you need. Let this thing focus real quick. So you need a flathead screwdriver, 2 of the extensions, and 10 millimeter wrench. And give me 1 second. You probably don't need all this, but I am gonna be changing the brake pads as well. And I think this one you do need, so make sure you guys have this one. And it's a star shape, and that's gonna be a T55, and this is for the back of the caliper, the one that holds the caliper, and for sure you need that one. And let me see, a 10 millimeter. Sorry about that. 11 millimeter socket. I forgot what it is. Oh, this is for the ones that hold the wheel hub. You're gonna need this one right here, and this is let this thing focus. 13/16. Let's see, and this is for the wheels, the wheel nuts. 11/16, and we are going to be changing the studs as well. So this is for the new ones, just in case you are changing them. It's a 3/4. Some vice grips, and this is just to clean up for the brake pads. 3/8 ratchet, and the Ugga Dugga. Make sure you guys have this. It comes in handy real often. Pretty much in every single job I have to use one of those. But yeah, that's about it. Make sure you guys have this, and let's get started. First thing, go ahead and jack up the car. Make sure you put a jack stand, safety first. And like I said, if you guys don't have this right here, make sure you loosen that CV axle nut first. But we got all that, so let me go ahead and remove the tire, and I'll walk you through the process. Okay, first thing that you're gonna do once you remove the tire is go ahead and remove the caliper, and it's gonna be this one and the one on the bottom right here, and both of them are 10 millimeters. So just go ahead and loosen this one up. Make sure you guys take this one out completely. Once you do that, it's gonna have another one on the back, so you're gonna push this bracket a little bit that way and loosen up the one on the bottom. And that's where the wrench comes in handy, because it is, it's not too much space right here in between. I mean, you can use a swivel and all that, but the wrench is pretty simple, especially if you have like the one that the ratchet, that is gonna come in handy real quick. So after you remove these, go ahead and remove these bolts for the caliper bracket, and that's gonna be the star, the one that I was telling you guys. And this is this one, so T55. So make sure you guys have that. So I'm gonna remove the caliper, remove those bolts, and after I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this one right here, and that's the other one that I was telling you guys. So make sure you remove that one, and after that, remove the rotor. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all that, and when I come back, pretty much everything is gonna be taken off except the wheel hub, and that's gonna be after this. I'll get back to you guys right now. Okay, I had a little complication taking out the rotor. That little screw was all messed up, but I took it off. So after you remove the rotor, go ahead and remove that cover, and it's just 4 4 screws, and it's 10mm screws, and it's 2 on top, 2 on the bottom. And after you do that, this is the tricky part, which is not too tricky. Well, before I do that, the WheelHub does have 4 bolts, and those bolts are 11mm. Make sure you guys, I forgot to tell you guys this, make sure you guys have a 11mm socket, but the one that has teeth like this, because these bolts, it's like, I'll show you guys whenever I'll take them off right now, but this is where the extensions come in handy. So on this side, on the left side, depending which WheelHub, but on the side that is just like this side, you're gonna need the extensions. On this side, you can probably get away with the small extension. But yeah, let me go ahead and take these 4 bolts out, and I'll show you guys exactly how you're gonna remove this. I'll get back to you guys right now. Okay, we're back. So the 4 bolts that hold the WheelHub, they look like this. If this shit focus, excuse the language, but you know, they don't want to focus. But yeah, make sure you guys have that that socket just like that, because the other socket won't work, and you can damage the bolts as well, and it's gonna be a pain in the ass to take those out. So now, not tricky part or anything like that, pretty much the fun part, you know, beating stuff out. So you're gonna want to hit the WheelHub. I mean, you know, since we're changing it out, we don't really care, you know, if it gets damaged or not. So make sure to hit it right here. Just keep hitting it. Hit it like 2 times here, and then 2 times right here. Just right here, it has enough space. So hit it here, and let me go ahead and take it out real quick, and I'll show you guys how to install it as well. Yes sir, quick and simple. So as you guys seen how it's really rusty and shit, so make sure you guys clean this up real good. That's what the brush comes in handy, and I cleaned up right here a little bit on the side and all that, and on the inside right here on the ring, I put a little bit of grease, that way it can go a little bit better. So yeah, as you guys can see, this little gap is the one that is pressed in, and you know, we always find our little ways. If you want to eat, you're gonna find your ways, man. Sorry if the camera moves, I'm just gonna line this up real quick. Okay, so one way to do it is just put the bolts in there and just screw it, but that way you don't mess up the threads or anything like that. If you guys want to do it like that, go ahead, do it at your own risk. Let me see where the other socket is at. Oh, shit, give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. I was looking for the socket. So what I use, give me 1 second, sorry about the camera that I'm moving it too much. I don't have my tripod or anything, but what I do is first I line these holes up. Let me see. So you want to push it as much as you can to the back, and then get this socket. Make sure it's like a deep socket, that way you can do it. Just do it like that, and just whenever you're doing it, do it like on the sides, just like that, turning it, hitting it, and as you guys can see, it's going in. And yeah, just keep hitting it until it's flush. So after you do that, go ahead and install the bolts. Make sure to put some Loctite. But yeah, that's about it. I was gonna tell you guys, you don't have to remove the caliper. You can remove the whole bracket and caliper together, but since I'm doing the brakes, might as well, easier for me. But if these bolts are pretty hard to get to, make sure you remove the caliper. It's a little bit more steps, but you know, you don't bust your ass as much. But yeah, let me get to it. This was just a quick video for you guys. That way you guys, if you guys don't have any press or anything like that, you know, you can do it on your own. That way you don't pay too much taking it to the shop or anything. But yeah, that's why I do this video for you guys. And if this video was helpful, make sure to give it a like, man, and subscribe if you haven't. Turn on notifications. Comment below if you have any questions or anything like that, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. But yeah, thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting the channel, for everybody that's been subscribing. But yeah, see you in the next video, and let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll get back to you guys. Peace.